Let's see how to make measurements on the working area in Strubim Steel. To do this, we go to the Model tab in the program's general interface and use the options in the Dimensions group in the top toolbar. The first option available, Length, allows us to measure the distance between several points. After selecting it, we left-click on 2 points on the model. The program will display the distance between them directly on the screen. We can enter several segments by clicking successively on more points. When doing so, the application will calculate each segment's length and display it next to the mouse cursor. To stop entering points, we click on the right mouse button. This way, the sum of lengths will be pinned on the screen. To delete the measurements, we right-click again. The second option, Area, allows us to measure the area of a polygon defined by points. To do this, using the left mouse button, we select several points on the model that lie in the same plane and form a closed outline. Then we press the right mouse button. The area of the polygon appears on the screen. We can enter several polygons consecutively. If we do so, when we press the right mouse button again, the application will calculate the sum of the areas of each polygon and display it next to the mouse cursor. The following tool allows us to measure the angle formed by 3 points. To do this, using the left mouse button, we select the vertex of the angle and subsequently 2 points that define its 2 sides. The value of the angle will appear on the screen next to its vertex. We can also define several angles in a similar way. When we have finished entering each angle, the application will calculate the sum of the angles and display it next to the cursor. Finally, the program allows us to count the number of selected objects in the model. After clicking on the corresponding option, we select any of the elements of the model one by one with the left mouse button or use the crossing method. The program will display the quantity of selected elements next to the cursor.